In this video, I'll show you my first stage experience ever. Yesterday I went for an open mic in Paris, where I played guitar and sang song for a small audience. It was my first time, so I'll show you it in a while, but before I would like to say something to every beginning musician. I would like to encourage everyone who's able to make his own music and enjoying it, to share it with others, to go for a similar event like this. It will give you so much. My performance yesterday wasn't perfect, and it even can be perfect from the beginning. It's important to start getting those experiences, and you will eventually get better. But the most important step is to start. It's not as scary as it looks like. So if you want to get better, if you like enjoying your music, go for it. Find the nearest event like this, prepare your song very well, it's gonna be fine and you're gonna like it. So here's my first stage performance ever.
Separate train.
Yeah.
I say it.